Creating a Glassdoor account and uploading your resume is straightforward. First, create a free account on Glassdoor. Then, navigate to the Profile section. Here, you'll find options to either upload resume or build resume. Glassdoor supports PDF, DOX, and TXT formats. Choose your file and upload. The platform's AI will then scan your resume, extracting key details like skills and experience to match you with relevant job openings. Make sure to review the parsed information to ensure accuracy. As of 2025, you can also import data directly from your LinkedIn profile for a seamless upload experience. Remember that uploading a resume is now mandatory with two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled. Glassdoor offers several privacy settings to control who sees your resume. Go to your privacy dashboard to manage these settings. You can choose from visibility levels like public, which makes your resume visible to all employers, private, which limits visibility only to employers you've applied to, or anonymous, which hides personal info until the interview stage. For enhanced security, you can also opt out of third-party data sales and manage cookie tracking. As of late 2025, Glassdoor complies with GDPR, allowing you to delete your data post-application. By default, resumes are encrypted during transfer and storage. Choose the settings that best align with your job search strategy and comfort level. But remember that stricter privacy might limit your visibility to recruiters.